Welcome to Maria's channel, where creating professional and engaging videos is made simple and fun. In today's tutorial, Maria will guide you step by step on how to add captions to your videos using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your video editing skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to explore more easy-to-follow tutorials that help bring your creative ideas to life.
Hi guys, it's Megan Maria, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a caption inside of your video using Canva. Okay, so now we're here in Canva homepage, and all you're going to do is just to go to YouTube, or it depends on what size of video that you want. Okay, I'm going to click this one. All right, and so for example, we're going to create a video for YouTube. What you're gonna do is you're going here on your left side. There's so many icons here, and click the upload. Okay, we need to upload our video so that we can put the caption on it. So here you will see upload files. Click the upload files, and then in your computer you'll find a video that you want to put captions. Okay, I'm gonna click this one, and then I'm gonna open it, and you will see here on the video it's downloading. Right, so I'm going to drag this video over here, and you will see the text. Okay, click this text, the dynamic text caption. So what you're gonna do is you click this one, and then make sure that all videos with audio one, just make sure, okay, make sure I check all those boxes, and then here on the bottom you just click generate captions. Since you see here it's creating your caption, so it's processing. Oh, there you go. Now here is the caption of your video. Okay, you can put it down over here if you want to. You can change the color if you want, the fonts. You can change the fonts also. Sorry, you can change the fonts if you want to. You can change the color of your background here. Just it depends on what color that you like. You can play around with this guy. So this is how you're going to put the captions inside of your videos. You can also do the effects of your captions. Like for example, you can play around with this and do the effects that you want for your caption, just like that. You can also do the animation for your caption. Just play around with how you want this to appear inside of your video. All right, so that's all for today's, guys, a short tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays. Bye for now.